Dear students, welcome back to another new lesson. So today's session is on present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous, also called present perfect progressive, is a verb tense which is used to show that an action started in the past and has continued up to the present moment. The present perfect continuous usually emphasizes duration or the amount of time that an action has been taken place. इन वाक्यों में काम पास्ट टेंस से शुरू होके और प्रेजेंट टेंस में जारी रहता है और काम के जारी रहने का समय दिया जाता है, टाइम दिया जाता है. So we will move on to the structure part. The structure of present perfect continuous tense is subject plus has been or have been plus verb first form plus ing plus object. As we have used present in present perfect tense, we are using have with I, we, you, they subject, and he, she, it and singular with he, she, it and singular we are using has. Likewise, with the subject I, we, you, they, we will use have been. With the subject he, she, it and singular we will use has been. Examples of this are she has been doing her work. With she we will use has been, then verb first form plus ing, doing. Base form is do plus ing, her work. I have been suffering from fever. With the subject I we will use have, then in present perfect continuous we have to use been also. So been is, we will write been, then verb first form plus ing. Base form of suffering is suffer and we have added ing with suffer. To change present perfect continuous tense into a negative sentence, we will add not. After has or have, we will put not. In between have been or has been, we will put not. First sentence, in first sentence, how we will change it into a negative sentence? She has not been doing her work. After has, we will put not. In second sentence, I have not been suffering from fever. And if we have to make this present perfect continuous tense sentence into an interrogative sentence, we will put has and have in front of the sentence. Then we will put the rest part of the sentence as it is. For example, in first sentence, how we will make it into an interrogative sentence? We will put has in front of the sentence. Has she been doing her work? And then we will put a question mark. In second sentence, have I been suffering from fever? And then question mark. So today I have explained you about present perfect continuous tense. In next session I will explain you about simple past tense.